First intersection, we are doing the equation for the horn and the body of the monster. So equation A is y equals negative absolute value of 4x plus 19.5. And our restrictions are from -2 to 2. So the equation B is x squared over 138 plus y squared over 144 equals 1. We used substitution in equation A, and we got x squared over 138 plus, in parentheses, negative absolute value 4x plus 19.5 squared over 144 equals 1. So we put it all together and multiplied the whole thing by 19,872 because that was the 138 times 144. And then here we FOILed, so we got this big long equation. And then we simplified it, and we used the quadratic formula, and we plugged in our A, B, and C. And then we simplified it, and we got our x to be plus or minus 1.915, and our y to be plus or minus 11.839, which makes sense as it's plus or minus and plus or minus here.
Second equation, we found the intersecting points of this point, this point, this point, and this point. And for our math, we used elimination. So since the first equation is x squared over 138 plus y squared over 144 equals 1, and the second equation is x squared over 125 minus y squared over 144 equals 1, the y squareds both would cancel out because of the opposite signs. So elimination, we end up with x squared over 138 plus x squared over 125 equals 2. When you multiply that by 17,250, which is 138 times 125, you end up with the expanded version of 125x squared over 17,250 plus 138x squared over 17,250 equals 2. To simplify this, you multiply 2 times 34,500, and you get 263x squared equals 34,500. To simplify this, you divide by 263, and you get x squared equals 146.186441, and the square root of that is plus or minus 11.453. Then to plug that in to solve for our y, you plug in 11.453 for x, and then just to simplify, you get plus or minus 2.668.